Well, here we are at Toek's place in the middle of a snowstorm. I don't know if you can see the snow, but it's coming down pretty good. Weatherman called yesterday, was calling for about 10 inches of snow, and now they're calling for about 12 inches of snow by probably this time tomorrow, which will be Saturday. This is Friday evening. So I'll do another little video to see how much we've accumulated. I don't know if you can look out and see, but here's the side of the house over here. But maybe out front you get a good view of the snow coming down from Santa Claus. That is the first big snow of the year, December 18th, 2009. As you can see, the snow is really coming down. Say a little something for us, Angie.
Hi, I'm Toek's wife, Angie. Welcome to Toek's place.
Okay. So this is the next day. Last night you saw, how much it was snowing. We were supposed to get about 12 inches. And now it's the next morning. It's about 12 o'clock, 11:30, 12 o'clock, Saturday morning. And we've gotten quite a bit of snow. If you come over here and look at how much snow is on top of the swing here, you'll see that we have had quite a bit of snow overnight. And that's the winter storm at Toek's place. Yeah, here's the front of the house, the porch. You can see there's a little bit of snow on the porch. I've swept it off several times, well, last night. You can see how much is on the railing over there. But this is the winter wonderland. The first snow of the season. A little bit of snow on the table out on our smoking porch. You can see there's a lot of snow out here. Santa Claus. Oh, oh, oh. Well, you saw the snow that was outside earlier today, and it's dark outside now, and I've decided to build a fire here at Toek's place, and got a little fire going, keep the heat going, and so I guess that's about it as far as this video update, video blog. And see you later from Toek's place.